Manual conversion upload. When you set the postback incorrectly or forget to specify the dedicated click ID parameter at the end of the offer URL or in the affiliate network settings, the conversion will not appear in your BeMob report. In this case, it is possible to add a missing conversion manually in BeMob. To manually upload conversions in BeMob, go to the Settings. Click on the Upload Conversions tab. Type a click ID in the field and click on Save. It will add a conversion to the corresponding campaign report. If you want to upload more than one conversion at once, place one click ID per line. With the click ID, you can also upload additional data such as payout, transaction ID, status, or custom conversion value. To do so, separate each value with a semicolon. If your affiliate network is not supporting one of the additional parameters, for example payout, transaction ID, or status, then this value should not be introduced. Each missing value should be replaced with a semicolon instead. Once ready, click Save. It is also possible to add the large amount of conversions at once straight from the file. To do so, click on the Upload Conversions button. The data on conversions will be available in reports within 10 minutes.